Hey everybody, it's Maria. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's having a great Tuesday. I'm sorry I'm looking like a hot mess, but I'm about to get ready. We're going to be heading out about 30 minutes or so. Carrie and I have to go get gas and then go pick up his dad and brother, and then we've decided we're going to stop at the new Buc-ee's that opened up in the town that we work in, and we really want to check it out. So, as you can tell from the title, I have for you today my Allure Beauty Box for the month of May. Not May, sorry, June. I totally lost it. And I got it yesterday. I was going to do a video on it, but I just wasn't in the mood, so I decided to get this video up for you guys. I know I haven't gotten up any of the weekly makeup drawer baskets or anything like that. I've just been in a funk, and I apologize for that. Just bear with me. Yesterday I had a rough day at work and everything. Today I've just been relaxed and trying to get my mind off of things. So anyway, let's tear into this. This is the booklet that we got. I already knew what I was getting in here, and I wasn't too terribly thrilled with it, but I wasn't, disappointed with it. It was okay. So, in case you're not familiar, Allure Beauty Box is I believe it's $15 a month. I could be wrong. And it's from the Allure magazine, folks, and they have some really great bags. So I understand they used to put them in boxes, but I mean, similar to what I think Birchbox was doing, but now they put them in this pouch, and as you can tell, they put them in the little box itself, like the other ones do. Anyway, this is a summer glow guide pamphlet, and then a coupon for a $20 gift toward your full priced order on bubblebar.com. So that's cool. I usually throw those things away. Okay, first thing I'm pulling out, I got the SGX NYC Salon Graphics, the Do It All 3-in-1 dry texture spray, volume plus refresh plus hold dry shampoo meets hairspray, and I'm really excited to try this. I have two others over here that I've knit to try from Oribe, which is the same concept. And so I got, I think a lot of us got the same thing. That retails for, the full-size bottle retails for, I don't see it, so, okay, sorry. Don't see it. Okay, next thing we got was a floss. Everybody thought it was literally a floss, but it's a lip gloss, basically, in the shade Yule. I haven't tried this on yet. And, let's see. I've been hoarding lip gloss like it's $19.99. Floss is my new favorite lip gloss, has lived up to its name. Here's how the formula is thin. It feels lightweight and comfortable on the lips. The doe foot applicator spreads the gloss on easily without creating a sticky mess. And the tube is squeezable, and you can use every single drop of the product. But the most winning feature has got to be the shine factor, which is somewhere between a balm and a gloss. It makes my lips look healthy and plumped with a pretty sheen that's more versatile than a full-on lip lacquer effect. And it has some other information. So here's the lip gloss. Let me try this on them. I opened it, but I didn't put it on yesterday. I'm just curious. So I knew it wasn't gonna have any coverage, but it's one of those glosses that you can probably put over any kind of lipstick, and just something to throw in your purse. So that's pretty cool. I like that. Next thing we got was a eye cream. I remember seeing this, the Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. I'll let you guys know how I feel about this. I'm not going to read the information on it because I feel like so many people do. Oh. I wonder if it's like those tubey things that you have to shake. Because it came out like this. Yeah. Let me know if you've had a chance to try this, if you've gotten your box before me. Like I said, this came yesterday, and I put it all over my arm. Okay, so not too bad. The other thing I'm really glad to have is this Moroccan oil treatment, and it's a pretty decent sized sample. You can put on your hair. Basically for and I don't know much about this because I've never gotten this in a sample ever that I can remember. So I'm super excited to try this. All I know is it's really good for your hair. You just have to go very light on it. Alright, the next thing I got was the Avene. Basically it's the EAU Avene Thermal Spring Water, and I believe you spray this, the facial mist. And it's supposed to be for soothing, hot, irritated, aka my face all summer long. So, it's got natural thermal spring water from Avene, France, hence the name. And this girl I watched, Leanne Serrano, I believe is her name, she opened this and her paper was damp. And I haven't opened this. Like I said, it's just been sitting over here on my vanity. I'm not one to carry this kind. If I carry water on me, it's for me to drink. But she said her paper was wet. And it comes with a pamphlet on how to use it. So, yeah. Okay. Hang on to that. I mean, the other thing I was stoked about getting was the this brow gel. Let me find the paper where it says. The brow gel. Let me read it. The brow gel eye pencil. A lot of brow pencils are so creamy they can look fake. Let me hold this up for you guys. Not this one. It has the perfect waxy consistency for creating unbelievable fullness that's not too heavy or too uniform. And this retails for $23. The water retails for $18.90. The price on the Moroccan oil, and I'm figuring it's a full size version. All these retails for $44. The gloss retails for $16. The eye cream retails for $35. And I still don't see nothing on that first item. So here it is. Oh, I think I got myself. Huh. So let's see, what shade did they send me? Medium brown, number 4. It's got a spoolie on one side, which I knew about that, and it's got the pencil sharpener similar to what the LA Colors has. And let me do a swatch. Yeah, it feels a little hard. I haven't done my brows yet, so let's just grab a mirror. See how it goes on. As hard as that was for me to swatch just a little bit, it seems to go on pretty well. Now, I'm going to show you guys, because I haven't shown you my new hair. I was trying to do a red on top and purple on the bottom, but I got such a darkening purple that it made my hair black with purple highlights. And I got red on top. But I've got another box of burgundy highlight that I'm going to ask a friend of mine that colors the hair all the time. Should I add more red to it, just, you know, cover up half of it, or should I just leave it alone? I got the L'Oreal Fiera, I can't remember the exact purple, and I had a feeling it was going to do that. And unlike the Cherry Crush, it's not going to fade out as easily, so. I'm doing my left eyebrow wrong. Huh. This is going on pretty well. I'm pretty impressed by this. Okay, so all in all, not too bad. I'm really shocked. But all in all, this wasn't a bad box. I mean, it was okay. It was medium. So, yeah, some pretty decent products. I would share with you guys, sorry, what I got in my Ipsy. It was supposed to have been here already, but I got an email around 4 o'clock this morning saying it won't get here till Friday. So when that does get here, whether it be Friday or Saturday, I will do baggie for you. I'm going to get off here. I keep saying, yeah, I went and purchased the CoverGirl CG Smoothers BB Cream. I saw Emily Noel talking about this in a video she recently did, and I was just about completely out of my Clean Matte BB Cream from CoverGirl, and I love it. But it just reminded me to repurchase this because this reminds me of the Satin Sheet Moisturizing Foundation, and it's really hot and humid outside. Matter of fact, when me and Carrie went this morning, we went to the local thrift store here in town because I wanted to get some more fabric for my quilting. They got their air conditioning fixed, thankfully. And the lady told me that the gentleman owns the building got a whole new unit. But outside it was, oh my gosh, around 11 o'clock this morning, I was like, And I usually don't wear makeup on days like this, but I really want to play around with my makeup because I went a whole week without it. But anyway, I'm babbling. Alright, but this is a pretty decent beauty box. I'm pleasantly surprised by some of the products that I got. And I will test those out and let you guys know what my thoughts are. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great Tuesday.